Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. It's English period. Today is Thursday, 17th December 2020. Firstly, do oral drill of name of the days. Okay, student, now tell me how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Name Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, again revise. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, what day is today? Today is Thursday. What day is today? Today is Thursday. Okay, now revise month's name with me. Okay, now revise month's name. January, February. What comes after February? March. And what comes after March? April. And what comes after April? May. What comes after May? June. What comes after June? Yes, July. What comes after July? Yes, August. What comes after August? September. What comes after September? October. What comes after October? November. What comes after November? Yes, December. These are 12 months. Okay, student, you all sing ABC rhyme with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Happy, happy I shall be when I learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Okay, student, now do oral drill of phonics with me. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, H, I, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Okay, student, now do oral drill of previous topics with me. Now revise an apple. It's your previous topic. Firstly, you revise an apple with me. We learn 5 sentences about an apple. It is an apple. Its color is red. Its taste is sweet. It is good for health. I like it. IT8 IS is ANNAPPLE apple. It is an apple full stop. Sentence number 1 is it is an apple full stop. Number 2 IT8 comma S its COLOUR color IS is RED red full stop. Its color is red full stop. Sentence number 3 is IT8 comma S its TASTE taste IS is SWEET sweet full stop. Its taste is sweet. Sentence number 4 it is good for our health. IT8 IS is GOOD good FOR OUR or HEALTH health. It is good for our health full stop. I like it. ILIKE like IT8 full stop. I like it. Sentence number 1 is it is an apple. Its color is red. Its taste is sweet. It is good for our health. I like it. Okay, now revise genders masculine feminine with me. It is also your previous topic. Man, what is the feminine of man? Woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Man, woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Now learn spellings. Firstly, learn spelling of woman. WOMAN man, woman. Queen, QUEEN queen. Sister, SISTER sister. ACTRESS actress. PRINCESS princess. Man, woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Man, woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Okay, student, now open your English workbook. Okay, student, what day is today? Today is Thursday. What date is today? 17th. Which month is going? December. And which year is going? 2020. THURS Thursday, awarded Thursday, comma, 17th, DECEM, December, BER, December, comma, 2020, full stop. Okay, now open your English workbooks. Okay, now open page number 61. Firstly, write short date 17 12 20. Topic picture description. This is a picture of a cow. Now we describe with the help of these keywords. Cows live on farm. Cow lives on farm. Here write farm. Cows sleep in barn. Cows sleep in barn. They eat grass. They eat grass. They gives us milk. They give us milk. Okay, now open page number 62. Okay, open page number 62. Firstly, write short date 17 12 20. Look at the picture and fill in the blank. Firstly, look at the picture. What is this? This is apple tree. And Mrs. Rabbit collect apple. It is dog. He is man. Bird is flying. Okay, now we fill in the blanks with the help of these keywords. Mr. Ali standing in his garden. His dash is sitting with him. Who is sitting with him? Dog. What is the spelling of dog? T-O-G. Dog. Okay, here write dog. He is wearing a shirt with 3 buttons. Here write SHIRT shirt. Mrs. Rabbit is collecting dash in her basket. Apples. A dash is flying up in the air. Who is flying? Bird. So here write BIRD, bird. Okay, now open page number 63. Open page number 63. Firstly write short date 17 12 20. The topic is gender of animals. Write the feminine of these masculine. Masculine, feminine. What is the feminine of horse? Mare. Horse, mare. Write MARE, mare. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. What is the feminine of lion? Lioness. LIONESS, lion. Lioness. Lion, lioness. What is the feminine of deer? Doe. DOE, doe. What is the feminine of bull? Cow. COW, cow. What is the feminine of cock? Hen. HENE, hen. Horse, mare, lion, lioness, deer, doe, bull, cow, cock, hen. Okay, hurry up, do your work on workbook.